Hey guys! Hi, Paul.
Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. So we're trying to find the historic McClurg covered bridge, also known as like what, Devil's Den covered bridge, and we find this going on instead. It's a party going on. There's a bounce house. There's food. Apparently, is it a covered bridge, festival? Wow! People that like covered bridges too.
Or just festivals too.
Ugh.
We're coming to see the bridge.
We're going to see the bridge, and we'll take you to it now.
Hopefully, we can film without all the peoples.
And on the music, for sure.
Bye. Decker.
We're going. Okay, we're coming up to it. I thought it was funny too. McClurg Bridge.
1880.
1880. All right. Wow. No longer drivable, obviously. I mean, it's in a nice
metal roof.
It's in a nice little park. Let's see, what's this? Move from Devil's Den. Okay, move from Devil's Den in May 1987 through the efforts of the Hanover Township Covered Bridge Committee, Park Board, Township Supervisors, Paris Garden Club, and Friends of Historical Bridges. Restorated, completed in 1988. Okay. So it was moved from Devil's Den here. Let's do this. So the next covered bridge, hopefully today, the next one should have water underneath it, because Ryan's got her stone skipping urges up. So this one just has walk underneath it. And there is a Civil War reenactment over here as well. So let's zoom into that Civil War reenactment going on. A lot of things happening over here, and firearm display. So oh, I got you zoomed in. Sorry. Civil War reenactment. Can't go under. Are we too short to go under?
Well, I mean, you could. You have to duck.
Duck! Airplane, duck! There you go. Okay. There it is.
There we go.
All right.
Nice picture.
Time to sign you out. Okay, this is the McClurg covered bridge, Devil's Den covered bridge from 1880. Awesome. And the covered bridge festival. That's really fun. So this has been Paul
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.